G'day guys, Stuart here from Patrolapart. Today we're going to have an inside look at our R&D department with product development. It all starts with a simple idea. Sometimes from us, often from you. Customer feedback is vital. Whether it's a problem that you've encountered or a feature you'd like to see improved, we listen carefully and work toward a solution. Once we identify the need, our in-house team begins designing the component using CAD software. But a digital model isn't enough. We often 3D print prototypes to test for fitment. These plastic versions may not be functional, but they help us quickly refine and shape the design. This trial and error phase can go through several alterations. When we're happy with the prototype, we move on to sourcing. We work with suppliers around the globe, including local ones. Choosing the right partner isn't easy. Tooling and setup costs can be high. For example, this one product has hundreds of prototyping hours from initial concept to the final product. With the supplier chosen, we receive a working prototype. That's when the testing begins. Our parts are then installed on our R&D vehicles and even on our personal cars. Over the next 6 to 12 months, they are pushed to the limit. Long road trips, four-wheel drive tracks and everyday use. We gather real-world data to see how they perform under pressure. After testing, we analyse the product to see how it's held up. If it doesn't meet our standards, even after a year, we go back to redesign. Some products take years to perfect. Once the part has met our quality standards, then the part is released to you. But the process doesn't end there. Your feedback helps us shape future updates. Some parts have seen multiple revisions thanks to our community. It's easy to follow, it's harder to innovate. We're not here to follow trends, we're here to raise standards and create exciting products for the Patrol and Navara enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments of what products or improvements you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.